in front of me is OPPO A94 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this OPPO device. You need to start by going into settings, scrolling down and choosing password and biometrics. After that, click on set lock screen password, wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. Now click on use a different password type and tap on the best login method for you. I will go with pattern. Then you need to enter your login method, repeat it, and click on add in this pop-up if you wish to add your fingerprint right away. If you don't, select cancel. Now when I click home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!